Lot of 8-figure traders. Z Gamer is in the house today. What up, Z Gamer? How you doing, my man? Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. What up, Dennis Hood? What up, DJ Scratches? DJ Scratches. The name of that song is Can't Tell It All. I just can't tell it all. What up, Stephen B? George VDM is in the house today. What up, George? What up, Jelly J? Lewis G's in the house. What up, Lewis G? What's good? What's good? What's good? Purpose is in the building. What up, Purpose? Happy Friday, man. How y'all doing? What up, LeGrand? What's good, AJ? Yo, yo, what up, Magnus? Energy is in the house, throwing the 8s around. Options, what's good, Options? What up, OGH? Buzz Blab in the building. What up, Buzz Blab? What up, Mr. Lopez? That one guy is here. Kelvin, my guy. My guy, Kelvin. What's good, what's good, what's good? Proud of you, man. Congratulations. Account number 2, locked in. What up, Mikko? Miko. Ewan is in the building. What up, Ewan? What up, Traders X? Good afternoon to you, sir. What up, Stevie Mac? Rosebuds in the building. What up, Rosebuds? What up, Richard Lewis? Hallelujah. What a day. If you're not fired up, I don't know what you're doing, man. You got to light a fire under that hiney and get pumped up, man. Time to get pumped up. TTPU. Yo, what up? What up, Anthony? Top of the morning to you. Josh Jess in the building. What up, Josh Jess? What's good, what's good, what's good? All right, how you guys feeling today? NFP day. Let me set zoom up here on this lovely NFP. Give me one word on how you're feeling today, chat. Let's see the motion here today. Let's see the motion here today. What's one word that describes how you're feeling? All right, Zoom link. Let's see. Great, blessed, fantastic. Oh, nice. Empowered. I like that one. Empowered. Abundantly blessed. Fantastic. Ooh, favored. Yes. Blessed, spoiled. Golden. Amazing. Amazing. Let me just send the Zoom link out here. Just a sec. And we're going to get rolling. What time is it? 7:05. All right, cool. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, perfect. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you guys can join our free Discord. Jump on in there, hit ! Discord in the chat, and you'll have the link right there. Come on in, welcome in. Saved, hallelujah. Oh man, that you are. Hopeful, there we go. What up, Alexandru? Super. Don't make me do that, bro. Holy. You trying to get me to work here today. Sheesh. All right, let me lower the music. We're gonna pray. I'm gonna pray for you guys real quick, and then we're gonna get the day started. So let's pray real quick, and we're gonna get going. Father in heaven, Lord, I come to you in the name of Jesus. Lord, thank you, Lord, that you said when 2 or more are gathered together in your name, Lord, that you're there. We thank you for your presence today. I pray for your people here today, Lord. I pray for those ones that are hopeful. I pray for those ones that are blessed. I pray for those ones that are saved, Lord. I pray for those ones that have no hope, Lord, that you would bring them hope on this lovely, lovely Friday, Lord. Give them a message. Tell them you love them. We thank you, Lord. I hope that this could be a message for them from you, Lord. And we know that you love us. We know that you have plans for us to prosper, to be in good health, Lord, to have a hope and a future. So we thank you for that promise. We thank you for all your promises, Lord. I give you the glory for it, Father. I thank you for using me for your glory here on these live streams. Thank you for your people that walk in here today. Bless them. And we just give you all the glory for going before us, making our path straight. We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. God's got y'all. He's got a big, big plan for your life if you're in here today. Don't matter how old you are. Don't matter how young you are. You're loved, gang. You're loved. Blessings to you guys. All right, let's go ahead and get started, and let's begin the day here. Today is Friday, last day of the week. This week flew by. Not gonna lie, this week really did fly by. Pretty awesome. But yeah, amen's in the chat. Amen's in the chat. God's got a message for you here today. I don't know if he already gave it to you. I don't know if he's going to give it to you at some point throughout the stream. I don't know. But I know there is going to be a message for you today. And hope you got some ears to hear. Hope you've got some ears to hear. So, yeah, the week is pretty much done. But don't shut it down too quick because we got the fireworks show today, baby. NFP coming in here a little bit after the NY Open. It should be a very, very high volatile day, very high volume. Man, what are we going to do? What are we going to do today? Are we going to keep rolling, keep rocking with this bullish rally, or are we going to get some sort of a pullback? There are some slight signs that we could begin to get that pullback. We're going to go over that as we dive into the breakthrough, the breakdown, and then we will get the day started. But as you settle on in here, give the stream a like. Give the stream a like for me. Got a new video dropping tomorrow, chat. Got a new video dropping. Let me put the link in here for you guys. Got a 2-week evaluation video coming up. I'll film them a little bit more in the future. But yeah, a little bit of a 2-week evaluation, and you guys can check it out. I think that video, I have it set to drop tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. Yeah. What up, Xander? What up, Wags? What's good, Dropout Trader? All right, awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here today. And yeah, I don't know, man. There's someone here right now that prayer was for. I just know it. I know one of you guys are like almost tearing up. Yeah, that was definitely meant for somebody. Definitely meant for somebody here today. The Lord loves you, man. Yeah, he's not sitting up there tapping his foot saying, well, you do that one more time, I'm gonna you know, religion makes us think that of God, but that's not how our loving God works. So he loves you, gang. He's got a plan for you. Yeah, you. So yeah, so just want to say that before we get started here. So anyway, let me lower the music here, and we're gonna rock and roll. All right, cool. All right, I think we're good. Yeah, give the stream a like, friends? So let's go ahead and open up the charts here and get down to business. So we got Friday here. It is the 5th day of April. It's another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, have a good time, play these charts the way we normally do. Just keep in mind here, again, today is the big NFP day, right? So you got non-farm payroll coming out, you got unemployment rates coming out, so that's going to be at 8:30 here today, which is coming up here in about a little bit over an hour or so. So we got a little bit over an hour. Not sure if you guys took trades there in London. I didn't check out the London channel. Anybody take trades in London? I think sells worked out for Asian and what buys in London. Is that how it came together here today? Amen. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and do a breakdown here. Again, this is really all we have to kind of look out for here today. 9:15, you do have the Fed speaking as well, but it shouldn't be too crazy. And then later on at like 10:15, there's more. 12:15, there's going to be some more stuff. But I'll be well on my way to enjoying the weekend at that point, and done trading for the week. So the big one is going to be 8:30 here, man, NFP. So we'll keep an eye out for it. Let's see how we can plan some opportunities around NFP here today, and look for some chances to get in the market. So taking a look every single morning, what you want to do is you want to really get a fresh canvas in front of you. You know, like get rid of everything from the day before, even the session before, and just have a nice clean slate, right, to begin the day with. And I like to start from the weekly, go down towards like 30-minute, 15-minute, and just work my way down. That's what I'm gonna basically show you how I do here today for those of you guys that are new, and get a read on the market. You know, I always think about these time frames like a chapter in a book. and each time frame has a little bit of a different details, right, to solve the mystery towards like the 30-minute time frame. So that's the way I like to spin it in my own brain and kind of, you know, make it up like that. So if we're looking at the weekly, which we are, this is what we want to see here. So we'll do since we got heavy news coming out, we'll do a pretty in-depth breakdown here. Let me just make sure we're good. All right, cool. So if you're looking at the weekly time frame here, right, we're obviously moving very bullish. When we kind of zoom out a little bit, you can see, man, since 2022 really is where we started this bull run, right? We just continue moving up, up. Now recently we've come into this area right here. So for a while, these were our all-time highs right here, right? For quite some time, we were playing around from 2028 down towards like I would say, yeah, like 1600s, man. So we were all in there, and then finally, recently, we actually broke out of all that, right? So you can see this guy right here kind of created those new highs, and then we just began to range, right? So we obviously are very bullish moving up. Price did begin to consolidate here. As you can see, there is a range from this support level, right, to this resistance level right here, and price was just chopping around here for like yeah, a couple weeks, man, a couple months really, right? Just week after week after week, just kind of trying to break out of this little bit of a range. You dealt with some sort of exhaustion wick here to the top side. Price tried to, you know, continue down a few times, but just never able to actually close below that range there as well. So just kind of chopped around in a little bit, or for a little bit, and then you had, again, this exhaustion wick was a big sign that maybe later on, if you got a breakout, that you could potentially move up and fill that wick, right? And that's exactly what price did. So notice how we didn't do anything until we actually had a candle close above the range, right? This was like your confirmation candle that this previous exhaustion wick would now become a wick to fill, and price did that no problem, right? We filled that wick. We kind of stepped back a second, created a new support right here, and then just been blitzing off this support ever since. And that was like 2 weeks ago. So gold's been running, man. Gold's been running on this bullish rally here on the higher time frame. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily now. Daily, so as you can see, like we're kind of expecting a pullback, right? I mean, do we really expect price to continue going? I mean, it can 100% continue going, but you know, in the last day of the week, you're still hanging out up here. You would expect to see some sort of a pullback to potentially leave a wick for the next candle, right? So before we can really anticipate that, we need some sort of a sign, right, on the daily time frame. So let's go over to the daily here and talk about this. So quite similar to the weekly time frame, you had support, you had resistance, you had this wick to fill, you got your breakout, price been pumping up ever since, right? So big bull rally, right? So now we're wondering, hey, when will we actually get a pullback? Because you've got bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, no top wick, another bullish candle. You're expecting some sort of a bearish candle at some point, right? So yesterday we finally did get that bearish candle. Price did close bearish there, and I mean, we've already done some work, right? We've already done some work here today on this daily candle. Looks like we pushed all the way down, and now we're beginning to potentially come up and make this top wick. So is this one daily candle, the bearish one, the only bearish candle we will get? And today's candle does something like this. Well, gonna have to wait about 9 hours and 42 minutes to find that answer out. But what we can do here now is go down to these lower time frames and get an idea, right? Get some feedback on what this wick represents, what this wick represents, find some ranges within all of this, and determine whether or not we believe that, hey, price is either going to move up based off of the ranges, or if we get new closures, we can move down. You know, one thing about this daily candle is you have very little to no top wick, so that could be an issue too. I think we made that top wick in like the first 30 minutes of the open of this candle, and it's been moving down ever since. So do we want to come up, create a steeper top wick to come down, or will we break that high here today and begin to continue to drive up? So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. Let's get a session bias going on here. So taking a look at the 4 hour, you had a bullish candle closure, right? So candle closed bullish on this previous 4-hour candle. Looks like we've got a pretty decent support formed. You also have a resistance right here. This is the current range that we're trading in on the 4-hour time frame, right? So if you get a closure above, you should almost have no problem filling this resistance and that wick right there to the left hand side. Again, that would also be breaking previous daily highs and continuing to move up. Or will we reject this area, right? Will we either reject it, close below, or potentially close bearish, and then potentially have these signs of moving back down to fill this wick right here? And if you break this low here today, chat, you're gone. You're goner, right? This is the daily low again. So if you break that low, you should start to head down. And what would that do for us? That would give us some sort of new ranges, right, for next week and, you know, over the next couple days, because we are calling for this pullback on the daily time frame. Let's see how they want to give us a result here on numbers. I'm sure they want to make the dollar look good. Because there's starting to become panic in the US, right, about the dollar. So I'm sure they want to ease the people here today, but I don't know. We'll have to see how those numbers come out. But anyways, going back down to the 4-hour time frame, again, this is your range that you're in. You've got a support here. You've got a resistance right here. You've got a nice wick to fill below that. You got a nice wick to fill up here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour, get a better idea of what's going on here. So 1 hour candles, you have that resistance right here to the left. You also have a support here, but from experience, I see support. I think the best bet is to leave supports right here, right? So anything that begins to close below this range, I would look for potential supports. That's also, sells. That's also breaking this 4-hour low here, right? So if we've broken the high and then begin to break the low, well, most likely this 4-hour candle is going to want to close something like this, right? So that's our opportunity to potentially take our sells. We are bearish on the day, right? But we do have this 4-hour bias here. So taking a look back at the 1 hour, let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute as well. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. Pretty good. We're struggling a bit right here. I think I know why, right? NFP is coming up here in just a little bit. So we'll see what happens. Right now, there shouldn't be too much volume right now. It should remain pretty calm for the most part till 8:30. So we'll see what happens. You know, bullish candles aren't looking the greatest here. You do have a clean range here, right? You do have a clean range coming up, but no buys or anything for me just yet, especially how candles are moving along. I will most likely 95%, I would say, stay out of the markets here until NFP today. So that's kind of the ideas for gold. And just got to wait here. You know, 1 hour looks pretty good to continue up, right? But with the news coming in, I will be staying out. So that's what I got going on here for gold. We'll see if there's potential for some sort of an impulse entry after news, like on the break of these highs right here, or let's say on the break of these lows down here, then you may see me pull the trigger on that here today with like a small position. And then, yeah, that's it. Just got to wait. Just got to wait for the fireworks. Yep. What up, Dominic? What's good, bro? What up, Anilo? Anilo in the house. Yeah, nice positions there in Asian and London, it looks like. Hopefully New York just doesn't give us crap here today. What up, DT Gamer? What's good? Yeah, we'll see what this daily candle wants to do for us here today. Dennis Hood's in the house. What up, Brax? What's good, D-Boss? What up, D-Boss? TT Ears. I like that. What up, TT Ears? TT Ears. TTE 8-figure traders. The Don is in the house. The Don.
I'm the original Don Dada.
How you doing?
How you doing?
And now you just chill, right? Trading made simple, gang. Now you just hang out and you wait, right? If we don't have news today, I'm taking buys right here. But my experience with news is that the move most likely won't happen here until NFP numbers come out. And you also have this resistance like right here. And you're struggling there. So if this wasn't a heavy news day, I'd probably disregard this and avoid it and just focus here and then look to possibly have a buy stop on the break of that high right there. But with news coming out, I'm not going to do that right now. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? What's good, everybody? Welcome in. Welcome in. Give a stream a like, gang, as you settle in here today. What's good, Lily? What up? What up? What up, Bright Projects? Bright Projects. Yeah, PM Magnifico in the house. It's good, brother. Casino time, baby. I think we'll participate in the casino here today, just for fun, on a small lot size. What do you guys say? Oh, I hope Raja's Casino's open today. Let's see. Let's see if he's casino in here. Nah. Nope. He said, y'all ain't watching me casino today. Nope. Maybe he'll come on later. If he comes on, we'll copy him. We'll have buy stops and sell stops with him. Friday is over leverage day, right? Repent from your over leveraging. How you feeling today? Ali Reza, I am feeling fantastic, incredible, favored, blessed. I mean, there are no words. There literally are no words to describe how I'm feeling, man. Not even all the words that all you guys posted could even amount to just how incredible I am. Blessed, man. Living the dream. Living the dream. Already won in life, man. Already won. Full margin Friday. Let's go. TTE FMF. FMF. 0.01. We'll go a little bigger than that. Where in Florida am I? I'm not from Florida, but I live in Tampa now. Tampa, Florida. Tampa. Yeah, let's see. Holy moly, yo. All right, NASDAQ. About time you give us some bearish move here. Let's take a look at the monthly. Are we finally going to get a monthly? Are we going to get a monthly move down here, man? We need it desperately. Sheesh. Can we break the lows here? Do it for us. I want to really begin to trade. We haven't really been able to trade NAS this year much yet because it's just been on this bullish run and these all-time highs, man. Yeah, so if we can get some sort of a breakout, because look, you know, obviously we're on the bullish run here, bullish rally, I should say. Look at this. Wow. On NASDAQ, we need some sort of a pullback on the monthly. So the weekly time frame has been just kind of chopping around here a bit. You have supports, you got resistances like right in these levels, and these are kind of like, it's just like ranging, you know, it's not really doing much, just kind of catching its breath. It's like after a big sprint, you got to kind of catch your breath, you know what I mean? Catch your breath a little bit. So that's what NASDAQ's trying to do here, man. If we can get a close below Oh my God, that'd be great. You know, and have like a month or two of bearish candles here. We can go ahead and fill that range, come back down. And what does that mean for us? Like that means that now we have more tradable ranges, right? If you can get candles to begin to like move down and create new ranges and even get a move up, you know, and start to really like give us some trading opportunities, right? This would be great. And come down, and now we got all this clean range, and if we can close below here and go, I mean, that would be great, right? So I do want to see NAS move down, so we'll see if we can get it. Daily candle though, it did close with no bottom wick here, so, and it closed right above support, so that's pretty tough. If you got a closure below there, I would say, man, we're looking really good for sells. But it looks like this candle did a lot of work here yesterday. So let's just take a look. So you are bearish on NAS right now based off of the daily candles. The 4-hour candles are pretty bullish though, so we gotta keep an eye here on the 4-hour. I would expect price to, if we do want to continue down, I would expect some sort of a resistance form somewhere in these areas here. You could also get it like right here as well, but I think these are going to be the most important areas right here. So if we can come back up, that'd be great. So I am pretty bullish on NAS here over the first half of the session. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is chopping around. Let's see the 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minutes just in a range. So this is typical price action before NFP days, on NFP days. So look, you got no top wick on this candle. Can we make a move up, right? Can we actually correct this move here? This was a like crazy move, right? So I think we can probably come back up as long as our 4-hour candles stay bullish here. All right, if the 4-hour candles stay bullish and we break those highs, you'll most likely see a push up, excuse me, up towards like like 18,000 here. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Let's go back to the 30 minute. Yeah, you also have support here, but I mean, this is like super choppy. So maybe NFP can push us through that, and then we get closures below, and then there are potential sells coming down now in this range here. So probably going to stay away from this area. You may see fake outs somewhere in here. Let's go to the 15 minute. Yeah, look how bad this is. You see that? So potential fake outs somewhere in this range, right, for price to continue heading up. So that's what I'll look at or look for, potential fake outs for buys to move back up. And then I would say clean buys above here as well. Yeah, it looks good. But same thing with NAS. I'm going to be waiting for NFP here. Yeah, man. Wow, what a move here yesterday. Dang. What's good, Scott? Scotty boy. What's good? How you feeling, Scott? Hey, shout out to Scott. Trade of the day. I'll remember this trade for a long time. Trust me. This is like 34 lots. This is like hashtag 1 pip. Where is it, Scott? Trade of the day. The trade of the days are back, my friends. If you guys aren't in our Discord, you can come over here to the trade of the day section right here, this channel. And in here is where we break down every single trade that we take. It feels good to see these back up again. Scott's a killer when it comes to this. But if you guys want to learn, right, this is for learning purposes and understanding why we took these trades, why we did what we did, what our ideas were all about. And yesterday's trade worked out perfecto. Outside of this one little detail right there. Yeah, so I mean, the only thing I think could have done better there was just kind of keep stops where they were. But you know, at 9:30, if you break that low, hindsight's 20/20. But if you break that low at 9:30, man, you know, especially after all this, right, you're coming down. So didn't happen yesterday, but you got to prepare for that. You know, trading is a probability game, and you can only go based off probability, right? So you got to think, hey, do I want to be right most times, or do I want to be right sometimes? You know, and you just got to base your decisions off of what happens most times. And most times in a situation like this at 9:30, if this candle does not, shoot up and instead it breaks that low, it's most likely driving down. So got nipped on one pip. Congratulations though to everyone who actually survived that and stayed in that and ate off of that, man. Good job. But anyway, yeah, this is where you can come in and get the thought process and how the ideas were built up and how it all came about, and kind of learn each and every trade. So I think they're very, very, very extremely helpful actually. So W Scott. Getting so confused what to believe these days. So many false preachers. I don't want to make a mistake. See, that's the thing. False preachers. Who said you need a preacher to speak with the Lord? You don't need a middle. You only middleman you need is the Holy Spirit. You just got to go to the Word. If you're feeling like that, at one point I was feeling like, a certain way about churches after I seen what one church was doing with money and stuff, and I just spent time in the Word, man. I just spent time in the Word. You'll know the truth, right? And the truth shall set you free. So there's only one preacher that you can truly count on, and that's Christ and His Word, the Christ, and His Word is in the book. You got to read it. You gotta. It's not about how many verses you can memorize and quote and how good you can say it. It's do you have a relationship with the one true God, and that comes between you and Him, and that's it. So you don't need the false preachers or any preacher for that matter to know who Jesus is. One pip. Yeah, amazing work, Scott. Amazing work. Do I know what caused the massive dump off? I don't know. No. Ali Rez. Just started a 100K account. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice, Sebastian. Good luck. Best of luck to you. Hoping the best for you. Take your time. Be patient. Be disciplined. You'll get there. What up, Pablo? What's good, Ryan? Doing amazing, brother. You? Amazing, amazing. We got John's birthday tomorrow. Today's Friday. Bless you, bro. Hey, thanks, man. Hey, yo, Forex Futures Frank. My bad. My bad. Futures Frank in the house, and he's waking up to profits every day. Let's go. That's what we do around here. You want to wake up to profits every single morning? Yeah, let's see, man. I think we may get some good news on the dollar here today. But we don't know yet. We do not know yet. It's snowing here. Oh, nice. Go outside and build a snowball for me and just chuck it. Man, it's been a while. Haven't seen snow chat in like 3 years now, I think. Some of y'all never seen snow. Who's never seen snow? NFP Euro USD short? I don't know, my friend. I don't trade Euro USD. I don't trade Euro USD, so I'm not too sure. I've never experienced snow. Wow. Don't talk about that. Stephen B, go out and make me a, a snow angel right now. Options. Options. You got options. Big fan from India. Been watching since December. Nice. Awesome, man. Welcome. Good stuff. Yeah. Avoiding FOMO trades. Beautiful. Great job, Capricorn. Great job. I've seen your name here quite a bit. Have never seen snow. Wow. A couple people here. A lot of people. Yeah, you know what happened? I stopped blowing on the candle. I think that's what really happened. Like, yeah. Oh, Insta Live. Oh, nice. What time is it? 7:38. He already popped it up. Yeah, they are expecting lower numbers. Snow time. Last snow in March 2023 in London. Oh, wow. Hey, have a great day, buddy. You too. God is good. God is so good. I held that by yesterday. Great job, Pablo. Let's go. Hey, from the time we got nipped, or I got nipped, to the time it hit the partial, it was literally like 3 minutes. You ever seen Billy Madison? Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. You know, it's like one of those feelings. Like, thanks a lot, Gold. But I didn't revenge trade. What I did was I just got my all natural pre-workout ready, and I just had extra honey and extra salt and got an extra intensified workout yesterday, and that kind of solved it all. No revenge trading for me. What up, Leo? What's good? What's good? Routine? Yeah, routine. I typically try and get to bed around like 10:15, 10:30 p.m. And yeah, kind of settle down at night, get the kids settled down. They actually go to bed pretty late too around that time. So I know some of you guys are like, what? My kids are in bed at 7 p.m. Yeah, nah, my kids literally stay up to like 10 p.m. every single night. But yeah, I like to get a little bit of reading in before bed when possible, and then I just go to bed. You know, I'm nothing too crazy. I wake up at 5:05. That's what time my alarm clock goes off. But if most days I usually wake up around like 4:30 and just disregard the alarm clock and I just get up. You know, so if I'm up, if I happen to wake up and it's 4 a.m. something, right? It's not like 2 or 3, then I'll just stay up and begin my morning routine, just get extra prayer. And so I like to spend time in the Word. I got a war room over here, and just seek first the kingdom. So I do a lot of prayer in the morning, a lot of Bible studies every day, and just get right. And then I go outside, get a good walk in, do some deep breathing exercises. I try and catch the first light in the morning, which is when the sun first comes up. Really, really good for us, and kind of gaze into that and do all this weird stuff that future billionaires do, and get some deep breaths in and just go for a walk, kind of set the intentions for the day. And yeah, then I come in here and I got a journal, so I journal a bit, and when I got time I'll read, and then get the stream started at like 6:45. Win rate's like 74%, I believe, right around there. Do I think it's ideal to have a pending order? Ideal, no. Because you don't know which way price could go. Price could wick up and wick down. Now, if you're prepared for that and you understand all that, then, and you know what you're doing, then yeah, why not? Why not have some fun here today? Left work early? Hey, what up, Dominic? He said, I'm gone. It's Friday. I'm leaving early today. Why are you not trading Euro USD? Just don't trade it. Just no reason. Just kind of never went over to that pair and said, I like this pair. I'm going to trade this pair. I think I traded it couple times early as a trader, you know, because I went on YouTube and was like, what's the most traded pair? Euro USD. So, you know, I think I traded it in my first month or two. Just join the Discord. Hey, welcome to the Discord. Flam. Oh, Muhammad took the NASDAQ move. I'm guessing you're talking about the sell or the buy. This new buy or the sell? Nas pushing up here. Wow. 730 candle rocking. What pair will you trade? Gold. Gold. Where did I get this large mouse pad? I think I got it from TechBud Solutions. That's where I get most of my trading stuff, like gear and stuff from. TechBuds. They got a good site. They got a lot of fly stuff. Yeah, I've bought like 4 mouse pads from them. Yeah, I think you can Google them. I like those guys too. They're over in Arizona. They got a lot of good. They got some apparel and stuff too. Oh, they're giving away a Corvette right now. Wow. Oh, they're doing a big giveaway. Yeah, these guys over here, TechBud Solutions or TechBud something. Yeah, they got nice wall art and stuff too. But yeah, they got fly mouse pads. Yeah, they got nice ones. They actually have a lot in right now. Sometimes they're sold out. I wanted to get this one, but it was sold out. And I think this one was too small too. Yeah, I think I wanted the bigger one. Yeah, it doesn't even look like they have the one that I got anymore. These ones are pretty cool. Yeah, they got some nice stuff. Check them out. I don't even see the one that I got. This one's pretty neat too. If you guys, those of you guys trying to make $1 million bucks, $1 million buckaroos. Yeah, I don't see the one that I got. I don't even see the old one that I have. You guys remember that old one I had? It kind of looked like this one. Oh yeah, this was it. This was the old one that I had. I still have it. Just use it on my other computer. Sold out. Damn. Yeah, check them out. I'm pretty sure they got some good. I have a few shirts from them too. I don't have any of these. I have like a day trader one. Damn, this guy's all about the Corvette. Sheesh. Yeah, check them out. Sell? All right. Should I do it now? What was that site? TechBud Solutions? No, shop at, yeah, TechBuds. I'll put it in the... I'm gonna do these guys a service here. I'm gonna hook them up. That guy TK is in the house. What up, TK? What's good? What's good? The numbers guy. Oh, there you go. There's the link. The numbers guy. Gotcha. Appreciate ya. Gotcha. All right. So we're playing around here on gold, waiting for NFP. Hey, for those of you guys all wondering what glasses these are blue light blockers. So this brand is called Gunner. Yeah, I'm just promoting everyone's product here today. These are called Gunner for those of you guys that have been asking. Yeah, they got some good glasses. I have two other sets. Learning too much from you? Hey, there's never too much to learn. What time's NFP? NFP is 8:30 here today. Yeah, did we ever break the daily high? I don't think we did. So I am bearish here today. 4 hours still bullish. We're seeing how we react here to this resistance. 1 hour is looking like hasn't been ready to go yet. 30-minute close bearish here. Still above the range, but close bearish. Playing around at this resistance / support. Yeah, we could drop for sure. I mean, we could go, hey, we're going to go either up or down, right? So we are bearish based off of that day. I would expect a pullback on this weekly candle as well. And yeah, now it's just about some of these other lower time frames getting in shape, and then possibly have some ideas here. Where did I get them? I got them on, I think I ordered, on Amazon. You can go to their website too. Just go to their website and grab them. NFP predictions. I think if numbers are crap for the dollar, we're going to see a continued move up here. I think if numbers are good for the dollar, this daily candle is going to turn back around and get rolling. But we won't have that answer for another 30 minutes or so. No trades for me. Oh, what up, Billy O'Neill? It's good, man. You got buy stops? Nice. Nice. All right, Louis G. Later, bro. Have fun today. Enjoy it. Best of luck to you, my friend. We'll see you on Monday. Louis G, ladies and gentlemen. Top dog mod. Shout out to Louis G. Here every single day, all throughout the streams, mornings, almost every time he's the first one here in the morning. Dude's a stud. Putting in good work, even when it didn't even know that it would work. The one and only Louis G. Hey. Hey, Chad, I drove past, my brother Joe wouldn't pick up the phone last night, so I ended up driving by Crumble. He was there. Yo, he was there. What? Stop. Yo. I'm done. Joey Stuchek. Not after a 4-pack of Crumble, man. Holy. John was there too, but I give it to John. John is extremely disciplined. John is more disciplined in the food space than I am, for sure. He don't miss. He don't miss. He'll cheat like every now and then. I would say like once a month. But he's got good reasons to. You know, he's got his girl here hanging out. He might be a little late today because Crumble be getting you like that, man. It's like you got a hangover the next day. We're going to have to buy Joe. We're going to buy Joe a Crumble. But you run it. Here's a split. Here's the profit split. You run it. You can eat unlimited cookies. He must. Yo, what up, Louis A? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Good morning. Welcome in, my friend. Don't eat that junk, man, for real. Try and avoid junk food at all costs. Pretend that, try and pretend that the world isn't as you know it and you're still living back in the day. They didn't have like granola bars growing out the ground, dude. They didn't have like you didn't like shake a tree and like frosted flakes came down, right? And then you just had like a bowl of cereal, right? You just ate off the land. So if you can try and eat off the land, that's going to be your best bet. That's going to be your healthiest bet. You know, you didn't shake the Dorito tree and Doritos just fell out the sky. That's not how it went. You take trades on MetaTrader? I used to, but we don't have MetaTrader anymore here in the US, the US of A. Yeah, so now I have a Tradeovate account hooked up here. So I take trades right from TradingView, which honestly I like a lot better. Yes, sir. We're waiting for the fireworks. Yep. Caveman ordering Uber? Yeah, the caveman didn't order Uber Eats, man. Trust me. The cavemen were also didn't have layers of visceral fat around their organs. They were very strong. I'm sure very healthy. Do I use my top one account? I don't use it right now, but once they get the trade locker all set up, which I think is going to be, if not next week, the week after, that's when I'm going to start trading that account again. So I haven't even opened it up on Match Trade. Yeah, right now I'm just trading my own capital. Yeah, they were chasing dinner down, TK. You know, we can go we do a hunt at the supermarket, man. They actually used to have to go hunt it. Yeah, we got to go to like the farmer or the supermarket, the butcher. At least they do the hunting for us. Good to see you too, Swifty. Discord says unable to join. No way. Not a chance. Let me send you the link. Hey, why is that link not there? Yeah, that link should work right there. And top one, C Trader is very smooth. Really digging it. Nice. Yeah, I wish we could use C Trader too. All right, cool. So the buys, you see how the buys struggled there, right? 4 hour is moving down. Daily is flipping bearish again. Beautiful. Oh, okay. SG80. I'll take a look at it. How you doing? Formula for trading looks simple. I like it. I'm a beginner. Yeah, it is pretty simple. I'm a very simple guy. You know, I like things. I'm not the smartest guy in the room, right? So I need things broken down simple for me. So that's when I looked at trading and I looked at some other what seemed to me very complicated charts. I said, how do we make this thing simple? You know, and luckily I found Raja and stuff, and like he kind of pointed me in the right direction with the simplicity of just really focusing on candles. I mean, when you hit these two buttons right here, get remove drawings and remove indicators, you have a chart that looks like this, and you're left with nothing but candles, right? So if you can understand the candles and the way they operate and what they're designed to do, and you know the anatomy of it, then you can simplify this thing. How you doing? Yeah, man. A lot of people, you know, I think we look at the charts a little bit different than most traders. You know, most traders kind of have this outer, like, zoomed out perspective of the market, and that's totally fine too. So I think our trading style is probably the minority of trading styles. You know, I think it's becoming a lot more popular now. It seems like a lot of the live streamers are doing that. So it's becoming more and more popular, but yeah, I think we are kind of like the minority in like the trading strategy world. Can you share top site website? Yeah, there's if you hit top, oh there you go, TK got it. Yeah, just hit exclamation point top one, and those are the links. Hope news doesn't wick me out. Oh yeah, should be good. I mean, I don't know. You know, probably could. Maybe it'll just boink, drive right down. Thoughts on gold yesterday? YouTube. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy, from Billy Madison. That little clip. Yeah, just YouTube that clip real quick, and those are my thoughts on gold yesterday. Other than that, beautiful, man. You guys see how we read those candles, how we understood where price would go, why it would go there, based off of the 4 hour, based off of the daily, right? And understanding where price wanted to go. And price went straight to where we needed it to go. Just kind of, boink, gave you a little wick, so you could be like, thank you, Mrs. Lippy. And then just heads on up. We had one guy quaking. I'm like, dude, I should be the one quaking. Get out of here. We 8-figure traders. 8-figure traders don't quake, bro. That same guy quaking, he would have been throwing W's. If my stop loss would have been 1 pip below where it was, he would have been spamming the chat in W's. Man, I should be the one quaking. Heck, if he took the loss, whatever, I had to take the loss in front of 1,000 people. I should be the one quaking. Guys be quaking. Wow, candle slanger. Yeah, it's dope. Yeah, top one gives a handwritten letter to everyone. That is actually very impressive. They sent it all the way out to you. Wow. Yeah, I like them guys, man. Quick. Sheesh, man. You got to take that loss on your little laptop, hanging out in your little boxer dungaroos, and, you know, in your mom's basement. I had to take it here in front of 1,000 people, man. You're quaking? Sheesh. Hit him with the thank you, Mrs. Lippy. I don't even tell my mom. Don't tell no one about them losses, TK. Where is Sam Capital? Sam said he was going to be here. He said he was going to come early in the month here. He's been doing a lot of stuff outside of trading. I spoke to him yesterday, but last time I spoke to him about trading, he said he hadn't taken a trade in like almost a month or like a couple weeks. Sam Quag. Yeah, nah, he's been busy, man. That's how it is, you know, life. You know, that's life, man. You know, trading's not everything. You know what I mean? So like there's other things that go on in life that you got to take care of too, and it's a big commitment, you know, to have a live stream and show up every day and show up with a good attitude and, you know, have people's best interest in mind and pour your heart out for free. It's a big commitment. So, you know, not many people will be able to do that every single day, and that's totally fine. Sam been sleeping. His sleep stops got activated. Oh, big prayers up for your mom, Big Wick Energy. I'm sure it'll be perfect. Yeah, he might be hanging out with JP. Am I taking sells? No. I'm not touching this until NFP comes out. No way, Jose. I've sat through many NFPs. How many NFPs have I sat through now? Let's just say 3 years, right? So 3 years, 12 times 3 is once a month, so 12 times 3 is 36 NFPs. Yeah. Not touching this. We appreciate you, said Banks. Top 1 allows traders from Pakistan? I don't think so. But we love traders from Pakistan. Greatest place in the world. Outside of Pablo's home. What up, AB Mike? AB Mike in the house. Jelly J. Happy 36 NFP. Yeah, man. Yeah. 36 NFPs. I'm still a rookie in the game. Still a rookie, man. Until I get to 100, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know nothing. But all I know is I'm staying up out of here. And once 8:30 comes, then I'll maybe look for something. But yeah, I don't know, man. I think this daily's trying to turn back around now. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how the actual number comes out. Raja Casino's open. That is true. That is true. We do know we like steak. Oh, let me give the stream a like. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. 1177 and only 238 likes. Come on, man. Support your boy. Give me a like. Give me a like, man. Toss a like over here. Don't be cheap. Tell your grandma to come up. Give the stream a like. Sub to the channel, man. Take a trade. It's time to trade. All right. We'll see what's going to happen here. We got NY Open upon us. You did get a bearish closure below the range. You got NFP coming in here in about 20 minutes. So amazing to see the same names in here. Yeah, this is the best we've ever been, chat. Honestly, I like the vibes here more than I think I've ever liked them before. There's the same names showing up every day. You see people improving. You see people passing funding challenges. You see people doing their thing, you know. And that's what I was talking about yesterday on my IG story. It was like, what I love is that you guys you don't rely on the stream anymore. You know, you come here for the environment and not necessarily to, you know, make money, right? You come here as a class and it's a good environment, but it's not like you're counting on it, right? You guys are beginning to understand these concepts, these ideas on your own, and even taking them and running with them, you know, adding little things to them and looking up little ways that you can make it better. Those are W's, right? Those are W's. You know, everyone wants to get to a certain place, but the journey is the destination, right? So just enjoy it. The fact that you guys are progressing and moving forward, and just think back, just go 12 months ago and ask yourself, hey, what did I know 12 months ago? Right, compared to what I know now. Big change, right? Big change. Some of you guys are like, I didn't even know what a pip was. No, I passed the funded challenge. Yeah, man. I come to hang with the fam. TK! Haven't traded this week? Yeah. Self-sufficient traders. That's what we're trying to breed here. We're not trying to breed robots. You know what I mean? Like the real Slim Shady. You know what I mean? We're not trying to create clones here. We're trying to create independent 8-figure traders that, you know, take this and whatever you take away from this live stream and use it to your advantage, whatever way you can. You know, you can literally make your own style up, your own playbook. What did I know? Absolutely nothing. I've seen big improvements in my trading the last 2-3 months. I've seen big improvements in your trading as well. And that's because you're asking questions, you're going out, you're making mistakes, you're letting it rip. My mentor would say to me all the time, Nick, just go make a mess. Just go make a mess. Oh, Rafi's trying to record? I'm already recording, Rafi. He would say, go make a mess. I'll help you clean it up. I'll help you clean it up. And that's what a mentor does, you know, go out and test the ideas, test the concepts, test the strategies, come back here, refine them, retune them, you know, ask a mentor some questions about it, right? A mentor is not to make you great or do anything for you for that matter outside of give you a little bit of guidance, you know, help you out, keep you out the gutter. You guys ever go bowling? Put those little thingy majiggies up on the side. You know, that's a mentor, man. Keep you on path, keep you on the straight path. Hey, yo, TK. Let's go. Please check Forex Factory. How come? Don't tell me there's news today. No way. Casino time, baby. We all go full margin. If I had Wix's little soundboard, I'd be like, how about no? You guys ever heard that one? How about no? Yeah, that's true, Scott. Yeah, yep. Lot of awesome traders in here. Yanosh. Shout out to Yanosh, man. I remember when Yanosh came in this live stream. I still remember that. I still remember. How about new? What do I trade on? I trade right here on TradingView on the futures chart here. Yeah, I used to trade on MT5 for my whole career, but we got no more MT5 at this point. So MT5, bye-bye. About a year. Yeah, man. We've been doing this now since February of last year. If you've been here a year now, you've been around. You know the vibes. Hey, I love that sports beats. Sports beats. Remember Yanosh, spelt with a Y? Buy or sell. What up, Perez? Good to see you, my man. Hey Nick, I marked up support and resistance in Asian session. Can I keep it? Yeah, you can, but I would always, like, if that was last night, I would just draw me a fresh canvas and then go ahead and really, you know, break things down again with fresh price action in front of me. That way, you know, you're just a little bit more confident, right? You got a little bit of a fresher view on the market, I would say. How do you link TradeOvate to TradingView? You just you have to, on TradeOvate there's an option to, I think it's under add-ons. Yeah, under add-ons you can go add TradingView. It's like $10 a month, and yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, Nick, that, and look, you may do a fresh analysis and the zones, you know, match up with where they were for Asian. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't. So I don't know. I think it's always just best to always have a fresh look and just a fresh perspective on things. So that's it. They could still be the same ranges too. Chat, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. All right. Don Julio. The Don. Gonna drop a new video here, chat. 2-week evaluations. I'll start to record these a little bit more often. But this is my 2-week evaluation that I did, and gonna have that up. I think we're gonna post that tomorrow. Yeah, it's about I think it's like a 15-minute video, just going over kind of like what I like to do when I'm sitting down and doing like a 2-week review or a monthly review. So it's a pretty good video. I'll start to do more of them. Do I drink? If you're referring to alcohol, nah. I don't like alcohol. Never really liked it much as a kid. Always did it just to, you know, fit in at the party and stuff like that. But not really fit in, but to be cool at the party, you know, have a good time. But nah, the last time I drank alcohol was with Green. That was I had like 1 beer, and that was like, what, Green? That was like almost 3 years ago now. Holy. What's that? Yeah, that was long before we started live streaming. Too productive to be doing all that. Where is Green, by the way? Is there anything more I could join outside of your Discord? T. Robinson, we have a Time to Eat Elite program. There's 2 spots left on this month. So if you want to join that, message me on Discord. That's a 4-week mentorship program. Yeah, I think we should have a bunch of elite members in the chat right now. So yeah, we're graduating and beginning anew. We've already onboarded 4 new elite members for this month. There's 2 spots left. If those 2 spots don't get filled by like, typically I'll wait till the 7th, and then that's it. Because I only like to work with like 6 people at a time, just because I don't like my calendar being all stuffed up. So yeah, if we don't do it by the 7th, then we'll probably just move it back, and then May will be the next time you know somebody can join. We got 820 here. We got a nice push down here at 820. Yeah, just go to timetoeattrading.com, or I think you can actually hit !elite, and it will pop up. Yeah, looking forward to all the new elites. Man, we've had a great time in March with all the March elites. So every month we kind of Green sleeping? Nah, not a chance. Every month we bring on a new group of 5 or 6 people, and yeah, it's a good time. It's a good time. It's probably my favorite part. You know, another thing too, I really want to begin to start working a little bit more closer with some of you guys. You know, like I was saying on my story, you know, it's one thing to work with the YouTube username and the personality behind it, but it's another thing to really directly work with you guys and begin to know who you are outside and beyond your username, and you know, and sharpen each other. What's up, Green? How you feeling, bro? Oh, lights, fire, nice. Yeah. Okay, you were probably one of the. All right, nice. Yeah, awesome. I'm pumped too, man. I'm ready to work. I'm always ready to work, man. I love working with people. I've got such a heart for people. I think I developed that in network marketing just by the way, you know, I had a bad attitude growing up. You know, I wasn't really like people too much, but I did, you know. And once I really had people come in my life that really helped me out, like without looking for anything in return, man, I just started realizing that people are good, man. Most people are good people. And I just love people. So it's fun to kind of get eyeball to eyeball and, you know, hang out and go over things and get better together. Oh, nice. Let me get you a client for that house. Who needs a house in Spring Hill? How many people we got here? 1,000? We should have at least one person that wants to buy a house in Springville. Hey, yo, Green, how you doing? Greenery.
How you doing?
All right, we got a few more minutes left here. Yeah, 6 minutes and actually 5 minutes here, and then we've got some fireworks coming about. Let's see how we close. If you go 30-minute, looking like it wants to push up here now. Looking like it was going to close below. Razor Ray in the building. Shout out to like the best barber on the, in my opinion, on the planet. I don't think they come better than Razor Ray, man. I really don't. What up, Ray? We got elites in the house. We got elites in the house. Yeah, and eventually when I start my hedge fund, like, who better to begin to help traders than the elite members, you know? Because I really have a one-on-one relationship with them. And, you know, it's not like this thing, like, I don't know, man. Some people are weird. You go work with them and they're all business. All business. But me, I like to develop that friendship. I like to really... You know, I have a good read on people, and I know how to help people, you know how to steer the mindset. We got elites in the house. Energy's in the house. Energy's a top elite student. A top elite. Yeah. Nah, one-on-one's the best. And then I'm actually going to gear things more towards that. Like more, what word do I want to use? Intimate relation, like intimate coach, mentor, mentee type of style. Moving forward too. How could I learn better from you? Just pay attention to the live streams. You know, there's no secret that I give in the elite program, you know, that I don't give here. It's just when you're in the elite program, it's geared towards you, you know, it's one-on-one, it's brass knucks. It's really, really getting personal with it. So, but there's no secret, you know, there is no secret. Big energy. Yeah. Traders X in the house. Another great elite member. I don't even want to call you guys students. You guys are like just members. Oh man, gold up. Gold up right now. How can you become an elite? There's 2 spots left, and you can do that by coming to timedtrading.com and then go into coaching, coming over to elite membership, and then here it is. Yeah, you could book our first call on the calendar here. And I look forward to seeing you in there. I'm ready to work. I'm ready to work. But I can't want it more than you do, right? I can't want it more than you want it. So I'm just going to be a guide to help you get there. Hell yeah. Traders X, man. Big improvements. You watch out for this guy. He's an 8-figure trader. That's for sure. Yeah, we have a good time too, don't we, Traders X? We have a good time together, man. Right, Energy? We hang out, we have fun. Right, Ray? Yeah, those are some current elites. All right, gold up, gold down. 1 minute here. Uno momento. Everybody?
Breathe air.
Just breathe air. Just breathe air.
Breathe air.
Hey, who's gambling? 1 minute. Who's gambling? Not gambling. Who's got buy stops and sell stops, man?
It's time!
Who's got them? TK just had a heart attack. Oh, man. Y'all ready? It's... Oh, we're getting a support form here. Big closure here, man, on this 30-minute time frame. What do you guys think? Buy or sell? They got the countdown going too. All right, we're going to watch here on the chart, though. All right, who's going to win? Buyers or sellers here? Oh. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Fireworks. Ooh. Driving. Yup, that's what I was thinking too. Initial push down, and let's see how the numbers came out here. Yeah, green numbers here. Green numbers. Gold should continue moving downtown here today. Yup, perfect. Daily candle back flipping bearish here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. See the 4 hour. 4 hour moving bearish too now. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. Later. Let's go. Surprisingly positive news. I wasn't so surprised because they're gonna wanna ease some of the people of the US, right? There's a lot of uncertainty here in the dollar, so I would expect them to try and have some good news on the dollar, and that should bring gold down here today, and that's lovely too. If we can get a couple daily, I think this weekly candle needs to pull back a bit too from a price action perspective. You also did close bearish on yesterday's candle. Now, as this 4 hour lines up with us, we're going to be looking pretty good. That's where you guys went? I was wondering where you guys were. Bro, 50K to Raja is like $2. It's not what you think 50K is. Trust me. Your perspective of 50K is much different than his. I promise you. Oh, nice. Got profit. Beautiful. This broker snitched him out. Yeah, no move up there too, so no spike up either. So anyone who had buy stops above this high, which there was a lot of buy stops sitting above this high, nothing got tapped there. So I think the best spot was sell stops right here, and you probably got slipped on that, I would say. But yeah. Man, I got this little tickle in my throat. Little scratch. His reaction was funny. Damn. Oh, it was on Instagram, right? Damn, he's gone already? He's gone. I forgot he was on. Yeah, let's see if we can do something here now. Oh, he was on YouTube? Oh, no way. Could have sworn I looked for him. Oh.
If I hold it from here, and if price goes all the way up over, I'm still not gonna make 50K back. For this lot size, price has to go all the way up, all the way even upward.
You trying to get the
This is
50K
crazy.
back?
You think it's gonna back up? This is crazy. Wow, yeah, look at that. Guys, listen, he means demo. This is not demo. I have multiple accounts.
I have multiple accounts.
Look right here. This is all live accounts. I have a $300,000 account there.
Sheesh. Damn, he should have pulled the trigger on that. He might have gotten it back.
20, 40, 14. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, this was the great, but, whoa, look at this, pull up. What happened to pound yen over here? Pound yen dropped as well, USD dropped as well. He is going nuts. I'm not going nuts about
Raja Casino.
You know?
Yo, look, this is that moment right there. You see where you're all leaned up? You're all leaned up. Your back gets a little tense. Yeah, see? Just chill out, brother. Just chill. Just relax, papi.
This is a, bro, if this was a 500 to 1 leverage,
No stake
I would have
tonight.
lost way more.
You wouldn't be like if you
And
had
he-
a 50K cash.
You seen the way he was sitting? This is bad news right here. Right? Luckily, someone came in there and helped say, yo, just chill, right? You see this? Ah, that's when you're like, you know what? Let me fall back. Let me fall back.
100. Yeah,
This-
you would have had two.
This position though, you're ready to you're ready to revenge.
I have a $300,000 account there.
Them neck muscles get real tense, chat.
Expert opinion. Look at this. You see this? Candles closed here, and this candle closed above this area, right? So this
Oh, what's he gonna do?
is a liquidity grab for price to go up.
What's those little pops? This guy got like
Yeah, because this 5-minute candle closed above the support,
sound
and
effects.
this one is formed. It has no business being below 22.
I like C Trader, man.
That's it.
If it closes,
That's it.
Yeah, it's gonna
It's gotta go up.
this way stop loss is right there.
Oh man.
Up. You can sit back, do this. You can do this.
Sit back, relax.
You can go have coffee because according to technicals, we should now go back up.
Nice.
Doing a fake
I hope
out,
the
even
best for
with
him
news,
here.
it's a fake out. You didn't have a chance to catch it. But
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for a 4-hour close probably at this point. Yep. We'll see how the 4-hour closes here.
We are on the road to making 50K.
On the road to making 50K back.
So just chill out. You
Yo.
can chill back, relax, and you can just expect price to move up.
He is the GOAT. He probably will make it back. I'm using C Trader with top one. Nice, nice. Yeah, C Trader would be lit. Oh, he's chilling. Oh, there it is. He got it. He got it.
Boom! See what I said? See what I said? Right?
Yo, he
You
got
just
it.
do- You just
That's
do
top
like
G.
this. Let it run.
That's top G, bro.
Those are some good technical analysis, right?
Let me show you a
honestly
top
feel
G.
Like, man, I'm waiting for a close. Because I'm bad at impulse increase.
Bro, this is like boom. No more. He was.
There it
I
goes.
moved on to greener pastures.
Over trading, bro.
Once that high
Follow your
breaks.
plan. Bro, listen. I'm an X. Look at that. See what I said? See what I said? 40 pips right there. Woo! Boom. Boom.
Bam.
See what I said?
Oh, he had to
See what
get
I
50
said?
though, right?
You just do,
My bad.
You just.
I thought he had to get 10. Savage. Is that Raja? Nice, man. Glad he got some of it back. Just do this. Doesn't he make it so easy? You ever watch his simulations? It's like, yeah, look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that. Oh, look at this. Perfect. We did 1 week and we're up 700%. Better than Netflix, word. Word. I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour candle to close here so we can get a good read on where price wants to go, and then you know, we'll go from there. Or I'll go from there. You guys can do whatever you want to do. But you got a resistance right here. We're rejecting that. If you close above that, you should have no problem moving up, filling the wick, and continuing up towards resistance. If you close bearish, then that may be the first sign here today that the daily candle is ready to begin to continue driving, right? Driving down. And then I'll look for a nice little leg up first, and then sells coming down here to fill this wick. Yeah, if we close bullish, on the other hand, then most likely going to be bullish here for the remainder of the session. Going to wait for a bottom wick and then see if we could run up. Yeah, green numbers all around here too. Wow, 303. That's a major difference. Major difference. Is that manipulated or what? What do you think, chat? They lying? Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Like it was $50. Yeah, I live in the US. I could tell you that they're definitely big cap, big cap. Oh, I forgot. Rafi's in the house, ladies and gents. Dude, I'm sorry. Forgot all about Zoom over here. Election period, yeah. What's up, Rafi?
What's going on, my brother? How you doing?
Fantastic, man. You?
Love to hear that. We're doing fantastic. What's going on, chat? How's
Welcome
everybody
in.
doing today?
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Where's Where's Johnny Boy?
Big Friday. Johnny Boy's probably slumped.
Ah.
He had crumble cookie last night, so yeah, you know how that is, man. You'd be woozy and wazzy after that night, man. It's like a night at
Sugar
the
levels.
bar.
You know how that.
It's like a rough
real,
night
man.
out, man.
For real.
Hung over the next day. That's why we haven't seen Joey Stew here lately.
Yeah. Oh, that why? Okay.
Yeah,
Dang,
man.
bro.
Drove by Crumble. I couldn't find these guys at all last night. I drive by Crumble. They're there. I'm like, what? Holy.
You didn't get the memo?
I guess not. I guess not.
No, you don't need that, bro.
No
There's
Crumble.
better
for me.
things out there. Yeah, that's good.
I went to Insomnia Cookie instead. No, just kidding. Man, if I had Crumble, I might not be here today.
Yeah. No, you don't need that.
I might have
Trust
just
me.
woke up now. What are you up to, man? How's the day over there?
Man, it's just good. Just good. Just getting some things done, and Friday. Incredible
Nice.
how the week
Friday.
went by.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a quick week. I was actually very surprised. I feel like it was like 2 days ago that we were looking at Monday.
Yeah. It's crazy, man. And it's like, okay, so Friday's coming up. It's like, okay, so we got the weekend. Now it's like, yo, like already in April? Like, what happened?
Yeah, man. Yeah, how's the
It's
weather?
flying by.
How's that weather in April over there?
Well, we got a few rain showers the last couple of days, but it's been hot,
Hot.
really hot, which is
Yeah.
good. Yeah. Sun's popping.
Hot.
Yeah.
The rain season is when?
Well, it's delayed because it's supposed to be like October to like February, but it didn't start raining until like late January.
Mm.
So, yeah, but nah, I think we probably are close to be done now.
It's delayed. It's delayed out there.
I
in
mean, and
Bali.
it rains either early morning, like 3 a.m. to like 7-ish,
Mm-hmm.
and then the sun comes out. It's kind of like Miami in a way. It just
Gotcha.
rains for a period of time, and then sun comes out, and like you can do your things, you can do whatever. And then
Nice.
sometimes, like late afternoon, like around 4 or 5, you get like a couple hours, but you still can do stuff, So it's not like you can't go anywhere.
Yeah. Bali.
Yeah.
Bali. Bali's getting a little bit more expensive now, eh?
Yeah, bro, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Demand.
things are going up, and like
Yep.
real estate mostly. It's
Yeah.
like it's
Oh
what's-
yeah. Everyone
you
wants to
could-
go build
you could-
something out there.
No, bro, it's crazy. Like we got to this new villa, and when we came in, there was no construction. And we're like, oh, great. Well, now there's people remodeling villas surrounding, so it's like construction all day long.
Yeah, I have 2 friends that are remodeling villas out there.
Oh, really?
Yep. I forget what area.
Where at, do you know?
Nah, I forget what area. I'll ask them. I'll let you know. But they have they got 2 houses that I think they're gonna use for investment property, and then go you know Airbnb it, and then when they want to go, they can go and chill out.
Yeah, no, that's pretty much what everybody's doing. Like, you don't really buy the land, like you kind of like rent a year like time, like 30 years or something like that, and then you build something. And that's what a lot of people are doing right now. There is a place called Sese, which is like 15 minutes away from where I'm at. Bro, like everything, rice fields and everything is just being demolished now. People are just making villas out there.
Wow. Sounds like a land
And
opportunity.
it's gonna keep moving. Oh yeah, it's massive. There's a lot of land out here, so which is so sad, you know what I'm saying? Because when I came here, it was beautiful, rice fields everywhere. Now, like, you don't really see a lot of those.
Damn, yeah, that's like where I live right now. This area, like I would say like 20 years ago, was straight farms everywhere. All farms, and they call it like New Tampa. It's like 15 minutes outside of the actual Tampa. But it's really nice. But they've been building on it. Like every single where you look, any free land is now getting bought up, built on, and it's the demand. A lot of people want to come to Florida. A lot of people want to go to Bali. So it's crazy. A lot of building.
Yeah. No, I feel like it's becoming like a really hot spot now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So.
Especially with social media,
Crazy.
people going out there taking pics, vlogs. Looks nice. They don't get to see the bugs.
Out here, bro.
There's a lot of bugs.
I know. They don't. Yeah, a little bit. They don't see the frogs.
Yeah.
They don't see, like,
Rafi's
stuff,
like, nah,
the other stuff.
not too many bugs, not at all. The walls, they don't see the walls
man.
sweating and stuff.
Yeah, they don't see that. That's the kind of stuff they don't put on the social media.
That's funny. Yeah, Bali. Damn, y'all still talking about Raja? It's like $5. Just pretend you lost $5. That's what it feels like for him. Pebble Creek? Nah, Wesley Chapel. Yeah, he don't give a rip. Hey, yo, where's my man Joe Fargo been? Joe Fargo, you out there, bro? Right now he's crying. Damn, Joe Fargo, man. All right, perfect. I was gonna say, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Joe Fargo, any comment? No. That's my man. All right, man. Crazy movements here. Price is up, price is down. I think your best bet is waiting 11 minutes on the nose here for that 4-hour closure. Big closure. Big closure. If the 4-hour closes below like these levels right here, all right, then you should have a potential fake out for a price to keep moving down, and basically you have a high, a new high, and then this potentially the new high, and you could expect another leg down, just like you see here, another leg. So we'll see. We'll see. Either way, if we close below here, I think we still need to wait on a candle closure below this 30-minute range here, right here. And then you got clean traffic. So what would be best is, because we've already had this aggressive move and this is the resistance, take a look at that resistance, right? It's about 130 pips up. So what would be great is that the 4-hour closes below here, right? So AKA 30-minute closure below, and then you get some sort of a bullish candle here. Something like this. Bullish candle close. Even if it comes way up like that, it's totally cool. Not going to take a sell yet. Then you wait for this bearish closure, right? Below the range. And now that's our sell. Or that's my sell. Yeah. Trade idea. Tag it. So that's a trade idea here today. For me. What up, Cyber Tech? What's good? What's good? Yeah, so 9 minutes here on the 4-hour close. Really good book, man. Atomic Habits. Really good. You ever read it, Rafi?
Yeah. That's
like
one of that. Like you gotta read that if you wanna become disciplined.
Yeah, man. Great book. Great book. It goes off of a lot of what I believe too. You know, like systematic approach to everything. You know, you're not, in a way, I know I'm not good enough. I'm not I am good enough, but I'm not better than the system. You know, like when you don't have a system, let's say you want to go to the gym, get in good shape, and you know, hey, this is what I'm going to eat. This is when I'm going to eat it. This is when I'm going to work out. These are the workouts I'm going to do. The probability is so much in your favor to actually accomplish that goal versus every day you wake up, you're like, what time am I going to go to the gym? I got to go get some chicken, you know, I'll make time to get to the grocery store for that. Like, man, you have to really rely on systems. I'm so big on that. That's like one of the biggest things I'm taking away from the book too. What about you? Any good takeaways?
Yo, no, similar. And that's really like when I read the book, you know, I truly understood how important it is to have not just a plan, but something to follow, you know?
Yep.
And when I read it, I was still, you know, working with athletes, and it really helped me to understand that every team has systems, you know, like every team is really good at running, basic running. Every team is really good at pitching. So like, I was understanding that, and like when I was working with athletes, I started putting like, you know, what are the things that I'm going to teach these guys as far as, you know, you need to have a system. So thinking about, for example, like having an approach, my systems to go hitting are going to be this. Like I need to get ready before I get on the hole. Once I get my helmet, I'm switched on, right? Like that's what we call like having a routine. Yep. And like, you know, when I started using it for traders, and you can like, you know, I was talking to Shala last week about this. It's like you need to understand, like, because we were talking about, he told me a little bit about, you know, he's cutting some of his losses shorts and whatnot, and what kind of habits are you going to have on that? You know what I'm saying? So like, it's a similar thing. It's like you need to have a target, you need to have a plan. You know what I'm saying? Like when it comes to that, and those are systems that you put into place, and everybody's systems are going to be different, and based out of, you know, like your nervous system and what is it that you're trying to accomplish is going to be a just in place, or everything systematic. Because once you have those systems in place, you remove emotions automatically.
Exactly.
Like
no emotion, less thinking.
Yeah. No, yeah, exactly. I've entered on. Oh, well, I show you. Like I entered on that trade yesterday, and
yeah.
I already know. Like the market does this, and I put myself on break even. That's systematic thing. Regardless if it reverses, takes me on BE. Bro, I couldn't do anything. I was trying to close it, not close. I was trying to get them break even, nothing. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna let this thing just do its thing. Like I can't even take profits. Like I couldn't. Anyway, like I had to restart the window and stuff, and I eventually closed it. But
they're gonna hit you back in the email. Like no, that's that Bali Wi-Fi.
No,
that's not our server. That's that Bali Wi-Fi.
Bro, every time I reach out to these people. Remember in December, like it was delayed, like really delayed, like really bad.
Yeah.
No, they said it was something with my MT4 or something. I was like, what do you mean? Like, whatever. But yeah, bro, like I feel like if you need to have habits, like little things. For example, like we have a chef here, and she really helps with everything, as in having systems in place. Like I go to the gym in the morning after someone calls. I know that by the time I come home, I get my hydration drink. I have my brunch because I don't eat breakfast in the morning. So like I already know what the plan is. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it takes so much freedom, you know what I'm saying, into your mind so you can focus on other things. And that's the reason why having, positive habits to do and things in place is just going to help you to be more disciplined and focused, I would say.
Yes, sir. I dig it. What up, Johnny Boy? That's so true, man.
Oh, Johnny Boy.
Systems, man. Hey, yo.
What's good, boys?
How you doing?
What's going on, brother?
How you doing? What up, Nick? What up, Rafi? What's going on?
Doing good, man. Doing good. How about you? How was your night?
Nice, man. Hey, I'm doing great, bro. Can't complain.
He just sounds for another day. He just sounds cookie crumble cookie hungover.
I know.
Hey, yeah.
But he's feeling great. That's the good part about it.
Ready to wait on a playbook setup.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. System. So I always like systematic, and that's what we go over a lot in the elite program is a business systematic approach to trading, and like it limits your thinking, right? Most error is due to human error, not to systematic error. So if you can follow that system, and then let that system guide you, and then begin to identify as what you're looking to get, then you're there. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. And I remember my mentor would tell me all the time, write the plan, write the goal, write the plan, forget about the goal, work the plan. And what he was saying was build a systematic approach to the business, and just continue to work it day in and day out. So yeah, inputs equal outputs.
Yes, sir. System equals logic, and logic removes emotion. So now you have to go off of that system, which is based off logic and not off your own emotions.
Yeah, is there 2 minutes?
Yeah.
2 minutes.
That's what I don't know if you were on the call when we were talking about that, but it's like you need to have your systems in place, and it seems like a lot of people don't. Where are you gonna get out? When are you gonna get to break even? When are you gonna get partials? Like you can't just be inconsistent.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Because now you're just getting greedy. I mean, this has happened to me multiple times, and when I used to do smart money concepts, like because the moves were so much bigger, and I was, on the low, I was doing 1 to 5, 1 to 8, and like it was kind of like more like a swing. I didn't have that, and there were a lot of times where I could have banked, 3%, and I didn't. Like I got myself on break even, and the thing went to like 1 to 4 and reversed on me, and I left 3% on the table. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like, it kept going like that. And it's like, yo, you need to have a systems in place where you want to trade, because that's the other thing with gold. It moves, sometimes moves, and it goes so fast, and it's like, you're not ready. Then now you become emotional. Oh, shoot. What do I do? Do I close? You know what I'm saying? It's like, sometimes you close too much, and it's just like, have your systems in place. Everybody's going to be different. I'm going to be targeting on the low, 90% or 1%. If I can do 1%, that's all I want, right? Because if you can become good at catching 1%, which it could be, 20, 25 pips. If you become really good at that, you are guaranteed getting at 1%. But when you're so inconsistent, like trying to get, big moves and all that, it's just like, now you don't have systems. Now you're emotional. Now, basically, you're gambling, basically. You're not trading anymore.
You're chasing.
Yeah,
You're chasing,
basically.
chasing. All right,
Nice.
we got a 4-hour close here in 1 minute or less than a minute here. 4 hours moving up and down. It's bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. So we're gonna see how we close here. Looking like we may close bullish. If we close above, great. If we don't, I'm still pretty bullish based off of the 4-hour close, but I would most likely be waiting for like 9:15 here to have price show its hand a little bit better. So we got good news on the dollar, which should take gold down, but we're beginning to pull back here. Let's see how we close. We got closure in 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Almost looked like we were closing bearish there, man. Yeah, if we can line up time frames with numbers and the playbook and check the surroundings of the conditions, and you've got a great trade. So here it is. So 4-hour did close bullish. We closed right at resistance here, right below resistance. Doesn't mean that we're going to reject that level. It just means that there's a resistance there, right? So we need to pay attention to that. 1 hour closed very, very weak, bearish, doji, just a very confusing candle there. Went up, went down, and kind of closed almost right where it opened. 30-minute candle did close bearish below the range here, right? So you could see this potential wick get filled. 15 close and no top wick. So gonna wait here for some more familiar price action. The only candle or the only time frame that looks decent is the 30-minute right here right now. But I'm going to be waiting for at least a 15 closure and then kind of see what we got from there. Buy the dip. Hey, where's BTC hanging out? BTC, how
Yo, whenever you get done with Atomic Habit, I don't know if you've done it. You probably read it. But after you get done with that one, get into this book, Principles.
Mm-hmm.
By Ray Dalio, bro.
Yeah, Ray Dalio. Yeah, I've never read that one.
Yeah, bro. Like, now that you're reading this one, after you get this one, you should probably get to that one.
Yeah, I'll check it out. Principles. Look at this exit on US 30. I mean, I'm sorry, not US 30. Bitcoin, man. BTC now driving back down. I want to see. I'm not saying anything, but I would say 55 is probably where I'm gonna begin to dump some more bags into Bitcoin. Around 55. Let's take a look at around like 55 or so. Would love to see 45, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can get some more bags in down here and then continue the run. Just happened to hit the what is it? What do they call it? Hit the pony, the tail on a donkey. I don't know, man, but September was a great time to invest into Bitcoin. So hope you guys did when I did. And yeah, pulled some profits at that green line and gonna wait to see where we go next. But 50, 55K, we're emptying more bags. We're deploying the army.
Loading up.
Load them up, man. This bull run could change your whole life. How you doing? All right, cool. So let's just hang tight here, or I'm gonna hang tight here for just a few minutes, get some more clear direction here on price, and then we'll go from there. But 4 hour did close bullish here, but we closed right at resistance, and we got a bearish daily candle. And the 1 hour is bearish, 30's bearish, 15's no top wick here. So, and the numbers came out bearish here too. We do a little BTC.
Yo, what's good, chat? Don't think I set it up. Hope you guys doing great.
Johnny Gems, ladies and gentlemen.
Get it. Dominic, what's up, brother?
Brother. Are you a millionaire yet? Ask Green. Yeah, James Clear.
We're We are all rich as people.
Yep. Now you just gotta write the check and ask yourself, how much money do you want? You were born rich, brother.
Facts, dude. Earl Nightingale says that the poor man has everything that the rich man has, just less valuable. So we're already rich as people. Now, how much money do you want? And then let's leave it at that.
Yeah. Who's taking cells?
Yep. Yo, Scott, you're funny.
You got some crumble. Yeah, you do have some crumble on your chin there.
Hey, yo, I grilled on half of a cookie. We chilling.
Oh, nice. Joe ate the other 3. Joe's like, no problem. I'll scrap those up for you. No biggie. I guess I'll do it. I mean, someone's got to do it. They're not gonna go in the garbage, are they? I mean,
Can't just sit there. You can't just sit there.
They're gonna be all stale and dry by tomorrow. Oh man.
Unless you put it in a jar.
My mind is rich. My account says otherwise. Hey, that was my issue for not even an issue. That was my reality for quite some time, but then eventually it caught up. Green. Eventually caught up. And when it comes together, brother, it comes together.
That's the thing, though. You attract these things, right? You, with the law of assumption, you attract what you desire to you with the thoughts that you think and the words that you speak. So when it's hard, right, Green, when the bank account says otherwise and it's really hard, that's when you gotta do it. That's when you gotta exercise that muscle to assume that you are that person, right? That doesn't mean to be spending your money unwisely, but it is to assume that you are that person and to focus on the bigger picture, brother. Gotta do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. That's for sure.
Trading against the daily bias, would you recommend waiting for range 2? Yes, unless the 4-hour kind of gives you a different idea. Yeah, so what you want to anticipate now, right? So now that this 4-hour candle's closed, where will this candle likely be to go? Right? So we know we did close at we did close bullish, right? And we know we did close at resistance though. So there is a wick to fill here. Will we move up or will we move down? I think you need a support here on the 1 hour or 30-minute time frame to say, hey, we're going to move up. But at this point, my buys will be probably above this range here to trade right here. If we can create some sort of support and then move up from there. Otherwise, if we still hang below this range here, I'm going to be looking for potential sells, expecting the daily candle to move down, the 4-hour candle to reject this area here, and then the 1 hour, 30-minute and all that just start flowing. Yeah, start getting in sync. Do you guys know Don Vogt? Nope, never heard of him. Who is he? Nah, of course we know Don.
Of course. Shout out Don.
Shout out Don.
Yeah, when I was in 11th grade, I would just be on Don's live streams. Those are the best.
Oh yeah.
I'm the original Don Dada.
He's the original Don Dada, you heard? Don is a Don.
Yo, Green, I got you.
Green, when you gonna send me $1, bro? Damn.
What do you need, Green? Let me know.
Do I have any courses? I don't.
This is the course right
yeah,
here.
I was gonna say this is the course right here.
Facts. In real time.
Real time, right? You buy a course to kind of get that traders the way you want to learn the way they trade. There's no better course than actually showing up to a live trading session. All right, daily looks like, I like how we closed below the range here, but we need some confirmation a little bit after, right? So got about 6 minutes here for the 15-minute candle to close. So we'll see how we close there. How come Don isn't live right now? I'm not sure. Let me give him a call real quick. Hold on.
He doesn't want to be, dude.
Yo, my man, how are you, bro? Yeah, you doing good? Oh, awesome. Yeah. How come you're not live? Sorry to bother you, but how come you're not live today, man? Oh, you don't want to deal with those Quakers. I gotcha. On NFP Friday, yeah. Yeah, it makes total sense. Don't worry, bro. I got you, man. Yeah, I'll take the hits for you right now. Got you. Oh, and you're a boss and you can do whatever you want and no one owns you. I got you. Yeah, that makes total sense. All right, man. Cool. I'll let everyone know. All right. Cheers. Yeah, man. I don't think he wants to deal with you today. He ain't with it today.
You don't like the Quakers.
He said the Quakers come out on NFP Fridays, so he's like, no point. It's my guy, man. It's my guy. Should get a wick fill down. Yeah, you should get this wick fill down. I'm hoping that we can hang tight here for the 15 close at 9:15. You guys think that's funny?
Hey, yo, what up? Got a trade?
Quack. Got a trade, my man.
Yo, that's facts, bro.
Don's gone. I hope he watches that later. He's eating pineapples, like chilling. Play the Fiend outro today. In the name of Don Vote. Hey. Oh man, that's funny. Just messing with you guys. This is gold. Yeah, this is gold.
Why didn't you skip out today?
Yeah, man. I don't know. If I would have had crumble last night, maybe I would have had different ideas this morning. A half a cookie last light. I told chat, John don't cheat, man. He's him. He don't do that.
Run off his.
John's the type of guy that'll eat. You guys ever get a Hershey bar? My man will eat one little cube of it. Just one. Just to get that little dopamine hit.
That's facts. I just want the taste. I don't want to overindulge. Just want the taste.
Just a taste.
Yeah, it's...
Yeah, maybe we will get a crumble. How many of you guys have actually went to crumble because we've talked about crumble? I think I need some sort of like affiliate link or something with these guys.
Hopefully not, dude. I don't want to push you guys to bad habits.
Oh man, let me get a crumble affiliate. Yeah, I'm this really big YouTube rock star. I was wondering if you guys wanted to do an affiliate deal with me. You're on YouTube? All right, let's see what we got here. 2 minutes. Yeah, man, this is this may call for a 30 closure, chat, not gonna lie. These rejections here, man. Yeah, 15 may not cut it here. TTE flavor. Oh, yo, who said that? Buzz Blab. Hey, let's get a TTE cookie. Can we get a TTE cookie?
That'd be fire.
We'll just put like a mini little ribeye on the top of the cake. I mean, not the cake, the cookie.
A little tiny piece of steak.
Yo, little ribeye, little mini ribeye on there instead of like a little mini Oreo. You can get it's the only cookie you can get some protein on.
And then the logo right on top.
Yeah, chat. We're gonna need a 30 closure here, or I'm gonna need a 30 closure. Not taking any sells just yet. Yeah, Joey's still. Yeah, I think he can get a. He might be able to get a good word in for us. He's been sweeping the floors there lately, like the barbershop. You know, that one guy who just lives in town, around the barbershop. He'll come in, just he's trying to get a free haircut, a little free shape up at some point. He just comes in, hey guys, hey, where about starts sweeping the floor for everyone. Hey, by the way, you think you'll line me up real quick? It'll only take 2 minutes.
Damn.
Yeah, you get if you go to Dominican barbershops, you know the vibes. Hey, amigo. Mi gente.
Bro, those are the only barbershops to go to, dude.
Do you have Instagram? Of course, man. Of course. 2024.
Oh, man, hit me up on email.
Hit me up on AOL.com. Yeah,
Nah,
man.
bro,
This
hit me up on
is my Instagram right here. So you guys are more than welcome to come follow me on IG. I honestly, I think it's a really, not because it's mine, but we put a lot of good content out here. And keep an eye on the stories and stuff like that. I think it can help you out. Yeah, it's the IG right here. Wow, we've been doing these trades here for a while. I've been doing this trading thing for quite some time. Yeah. Yeah, go back and peep some of my old work before you come here and say, hey, I want to settle in with this guy, especially if you're new here. You're probably like, I don't know, these guys are talking crazy. Honestly, ever since we really started talking about the Matrix, people are gone, bro. Because, the Matrix is one of those things, if you're in it, when we talk about it, you're offended, right? So it's one of those things where the Matrix gotcha, so we'll chill out on the Matrix talk. Plus, the Matrix be trying to get you too. Dominicans be on WhatsApp. That's so true. Yeah, yo, my wife and her mom talk on WhatsApp. Why don't y'all just call each other? Stop playing with the AOL. TK, hit me up on AOL, man. We got a new our customer service here at TTE is gonna have an AOL email, I think. What do you say? All right, cool. That's why I don't like to mess around with that first candle on the 4-hour open. Yeah, you see this 15 showing like rejections. Damn, they still hitting you with the AOL email, TK? No wonder they need tech support.
Okay.
You like when I talk about the Matrix? That's because you're not in it. When you're in the Matrix, it gets offensive.
They may have blocked your YouTube from some people too.
I think they did. What's my IG name? My IG is right here. This is the only one I got here. So there's a lot of fake accounts, but yeah, that's the only one for me. I don't know how, man. They even fake all this. You guys are good. Shout out to all the fake account owners out there in the live stream today. Hope you guys have a blessed Friday. Hope you guys repent. Remember, God's always watching, right? God's always watching. So, don't scam, man. Go out there and get it the right way. Yeah, anyway, this is my IG right here. If you're thinking about making a fake account of me today, God's always watching.
Big facts.
Yeah, they're making fake John Stews now. Rafi's coming next.
Oh no, I already did. Somebody
They're
did it like in Russian or something.
They're gonna spell Rafi with a PH at the end.
Oh god.
Dude,
Rafi.
people, Bro, people are literally making livings off of this. It's crazy.
Yeah, some of you guys are following my scam pages, by the way. Don't follow them, guys. This is my only pick. This is my only page right here. Yeah, you'll see. They won't have all my posts, because that's a little too much work for them. They're typically lazy. That's why they probably won't get anywhere. So, yeah, they won't have all of them. So you got to go down and go to the first one. Make sure that one's there. The scammer's noting now, like, Okay, make sure get first picture. That way people think it's legit. Got it.
Yeah. Hey, they're smart.
Yeah, man. Trust the process.
Damn,
Trust the
alright, we got a
process.
juicer.
Juice box. 9:30 incoming here.
4-hour bias wins again, dude.
4-hour bias wins again. Sheesh.
Damn, Gold, I wanted you to wait on me.
We want to see a pullback and then a closure above, right? So we got this deep grab here, like Raja said, kind of, right? Liquidity grab. And then now you've got a clean range to the left-hand side. So this is fine, but we want to begin to chill out for the next 10 minutes and leave a wick to fill here.
This is that first half of the 930, right? Volume that we talk about.
Yep. Yep, this is your 9:15 volume right here. They got the same bio. Teaching scammers. Yeah, man. Someone was saying like, sell earlier. Remember that? They were screaming, shouting from the rooftops in here. Sell gold. Sell it now.
True.
Yeah, this would be lovely right here. 30 close above. Leave a nice wick to fill. Gonna target that 2304 there. That's your high, man. There it is. There's nothing higher than that. The aha moment video on your IG, straight fire, really resonated with me. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, that's so true. That's so true. And it goes back to the systematic approach, you know, just having a playbook, knowing what if I don't know what I'm looking for, I'm so frustrated today. I'm like, damn, I miss sells, I miss buys, or I tried to get them, you know what I mean? But when you have a system and a business-like approach to this game, it begins to get very simple. You know, are you still going to take losses? Of course. Of course. Of course. Gang, you're never going to stop taking losses. Ever. Unless you stop trading. But
you know what I've noticed too, bro? Like
probabilities.
When you have systems like that, like in a business, you actually stop trading as much. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't see exactly what you're looking for, like for example, like I've seen some moves that I'm not gonna take anything that is above 35 pips. You know what I'm saying? And you see the move, it's been, you know, 40 pips, maybe 38 pips. I'm not gonna take any place out. You know, it's like, oh wow, that would have been at 1%. That would have been, you know. But it's just like when you have those systems, like it's a lot easier for you to make decisions because you know what you're looking for. And yeah, you're gonna miss a lot of trades, a lot of them, but also you're gonna miss a lot of losses. So at the end of the day, you know, it's like you stay in the game a lot longer. Now, when you're doing it for money, because you know you depend on that trade to buy food, then yeah, that's a little different.
Yeah, man. I remember I used to wake up in the morning, be mad that I missed the move in London. I'd whip out my magic keys and everything. I'd be like, all right, this is where my stop loss was. Oh man, God, look how much money I would have made. Oh my God, if I didn't sleep last night. But then it's like, what does that automatically do? It puts you into a needy type of mindset, right? Now you're like itching to get into a trade because you think you missed the move because you had to sleep that night. Like, we're human beings, dude. Like, you gotta sleep a little bit, you know? So it's like, just understand what your move looks like, not any move. You know, you're not chasing a move, you're chasing your move every single time. So as long as you're good and waiting for that and know what that looks like, you know, that's what every trader does, by the way. They just wait for their move, right? Every long-term profitable trader is just gonna sit tight, wait on their move. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, then there's nothing there for them that day, you know, and they call it a day, move on. The more you trade, the more you lose. Yep, that's what I try and tell, because I work with a lot of entrepreneurs, right, who come into trading in the elite program, and that's the biggest thing I have to help them with, is dialing back on the, I need to do more to make more. I need to trade more to make more. It's just the complete opposite. That's why a lot of business guys and entrepreneurs that you know, they are really, really good in their building their business, but they make horrible traders. because they can't make that adjustment. You know, they can't make that mental adjustment that needs to be made. They just think they come from a background of, hey, if I get more sales, I'm going to make more money. If I work more hours, I'm going to make more money. And they think that applies to trading. And typically they're like, yeah, I'm good, man. Can I just pay you to trade my money? Like, they have no problem making money, right? But they really fall short in the markets because they can't make that mental adjustment. So if you guys can understand that now, it'll serve you in your journey here as a trader, especially if you're a really go-getter, hustler, entrepreneur, you know, like, and you got that mentality. That will, you know, making those tweaks will serve you well.
Yeah, it's like you need to rewire yourself to think differently, you know, because like you said, Nick, like as an entrepreneur, you can't wait. You got to make things happen. You know, you got to build the funnel. You got to run the ads. You got to make adjustments. Over here is the opposite. You actually got to wait a lot.
Yeah.
Like literally wait a lot. So it's like rewiring, you know, like that. I mean, it takes time.
It's tough.
Accepting that
I had to do it, so I know.
Yeah.
I did it, so I know. And now I'm almost too picky, right? Where it's like, if it ain't like legit there, then I don't care. You know, I don't need to take it, right? But yeah, there's a happy medium there. You got to find balance.
Yeah, you got to be aggressive with being selective with your moves. Like when you finally get that move that you've been waiting on, you got to execute, right? We talk about the account manager, right? Like in these hedge funds, like if you don't take a trade that they like taught you to take, they're going to tap you on the shoulder and be like, what's up here?
Yeah.
This is the second time you missed this, right? One more time and you're out of here. Type stuff. So if you are being very selective, that is really good, but you got to be aggressive when that selective position shows up on execute on that position without hesitation.
Yep.
And put in some good size on there too.
I'm going to put it here because I know we have a lot of Dominicans in the house here, and maybe I know the other people that are familiar with the game, but you know, like when we're talking about hitting, for example, you know, it's like you got to wait for your pitch. You know what I'm saying? Like you got to be ready for it, because if you're coming in, you know, looking for fastball in the first pitch, and the guy gives you that cookie down the middle and you're not ready, now you're behind the count. Now you're going to start chasing, right? Because now the pitcher is ahead of the count. So it's similar here. And that's some of the things that, you know, when I talk, you know, to people who have done sports before, it's like you have a strategy when you play the game. For example, if you play baseball, you know, as a hitter, you have an approach, you know. You're not going to go in and swing at a breaking ball count unless that's your approach. Then, of course, go for it. But it's similar here, you know, like you're waiting for that pitch. You're waiting for that, you know, that move, that play, you know, and when you see it, it's like when you're waiting for the fastball down the middle, bro. Yeah, you just swing on it. Like, and that's the reason why a lot of guys get beat, because they get so excited. They try to overswing and they get beat. And it's like, yo, you're not ready. Yeah. So it's the same thing, you know. So like when you see your move over here, there's no excitement. So, oh, here, I've been waiting for this thing. You just take action. That's it. Simple. It's very simple, but it's just about waiting, being able to learn how to wait.
Yeah. Yep. Wait for that pitch and take a good swing. And I'm not gonna say this. I'm not gonna say this for the beginners. I'm gonna say this for the traders who have some experience and some backed up sample size data to back them up. And I got this from Q too. It's like, if you're so confident in your trading ability, why are you only risking 1 or 2%? Right? If you're being a very selective trader waiting on your edge, when you get that, don't be scared to put some size on it, like 5, 7%, 10% even.
Yeah.
Don't be scared to put some size on it if you're being very selective. What's up?
I said unless they're trading funded, but even if you are trading funded,
obviously
go
don't
big
risk
on
5%
that.
of your funded account. Like,
yeah, but that's really 50%.
You're gonna blow your jaw rule.
You gotta clarify. Somebody's gonna come in Monday. Yeah, I put the 7% like Johnny told me.
Well, 1% of your funded account is actually 10% anyways. So
yeah. Right. Nah, you're right though. Basically. That is so true. Like I like what you said there. Like if you have that, all the edge there, why not go big? And we were talking about that yesterday when it comes to like risk to reward and how you can kind of alter that risk to reward with a 1-to-1, right? With 1-to-1s, you could still have RR involved in that by building out a case for how much edge that you should throw on each each setup, you know, each trade by the conditions that is being presented on that given day. So yeah, I like that. I like that. That's how you get to the next level.
Yeah, and I'm not talking to the beginners here. I'm talking to experienced traders.
Yeah. All right, 1 minute, man. Can we close above? What are we gonna do?
Oh, back for us, goalie.
If we close above,
wait.
chat, I'm gonna take a buy on the next candle. Looking at target like 2304 here. Johnny. Yeah, John's the G. Johnny Gems.
Thanks, bro.
Johnny DiCaprio.
You guys are all the G's.
Yo, we gotta get that one on here. How you doing? I mean, what do you want to do?
How you doing?
Yeah, risk more, trade less. I like that.
Yeah, we've got no wick on the no bottom wick here. Yeah, this was also like a little bit of a celery play, but you know, no top wick on this candle. But damn, we didn't close above. We did close as support. We didn't close above those. So that's going to be the condition of this trade, right? We are bullish. We're bullish on the 4 hour. Daily did break the highs here. Yeah, we didn't close above, chat. I don't think I can do that. I don't think I can do that. Yeah. Gonna have to settle in for 945 here. If I can get a closure at 945 above, then I'll be down. But can't settle for that. Nobody gets clipped. unless we make a bottom wick here on this previous 15-minute candle. If this thing drives, like once I've made this decision now about, okay, it needs to close above. If it drives, it's fine, right? Because I already made my decision that because the candle did not close above, I don't want to take that entry because most times, this is not going to happen, right? But sometimes it will. So I want to make my current decision based off of what happens most times versus what happens sometimes, right? And that's the probability game we play. So most times if you get a closure below, price is not going to move up. So that's what I'm going to base this decision off. So nobody move. Nobody gets clipped. I don't want Scott writing up this trade of the day and being like, yeah, Nick was a dumbass because he didn't close above. No, I'm just kidding. We didn't have a closure above, but we took a buy. Get out of the chop, Gold. Get out of the chop. Yeah, don't trade the chop. That's right. Yeah, if this flips and runs 150 pips right now, it's not my move. Yeah, Scott is amazing at trades of the day. And the way it's looking, you might just do that here. But it's okay for me. I'll wait for a 15 close above, if anything. Those that are getting in buys, best of luck. I'm going to take this time to run to the washroom and avoid FOMO here. I'll be right back, all right?
Let's see what happens here. It was good, chat. It's popping. Nobody moves, nobody gets clipped. Yo, what up, Wags? Wags, top G. Yo, facts. Trade of the day by Scott is, I love that. It's amazing. What's up, Sandman? Hey, Wags, man. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Yeah, that's old flipping bullish and then right back down here. Anyone take the buys here, chat? What's my opinion on the way it's moving? On the way gold's moving. My opinion is gold's gonna do whatever it wants to do. You know, like I just gotta position myself correctly to bag some profits. But gold's gonna do whatever it wants. You know, I can only go off of my technical system. Yeah, waiting for the 15-minute closure above is way more of a better probability position than this position right here, right? Because we flip bullish and then we're back into drawdown going bearish. So I think the closure above is definitely way more promising.
Yeah, if you re-break the high now, you could be gone, but I'm still going to wait on my 15 close here.
Yeah, there's still a lot of range to the upside. So
Scott's trade of the day is better than some college professor's work.
oh, hell yeah.
College professor.
Without a doubt.
Yeah, when is that Tyson fight, TK? I really want to see that. It's gonna be interesting.
What's your hit rate? I think we're at like 74%. My signal for now is just wait. Just wait. This candle until we get a candle closure above the resistance here, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, I see it too. 97.5. Yeah, right here. Yeah. Yeah, not bad. You got this resistance here. G Sammy's in the house. How you doing?
Sammy.
Hey yo. Hey yo, G Sammy. He's the original Don Dada.
You don't.
You're late. Why are you always late, G Sammy? You're always late. What's up with you? Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today while we wait on this closure. Give the stream a like for you, boy. Give me some support. Give me some support here today, chat. G Sammy, man. G Sammy's always late. Every time I come to the stream in the morning, I see G Sammy. Nick's always late. I'm always right on time, man. Always, always, always. What up, J4 Traits? Do we still do the Joe Stew check? Yeah, why don't we do that? Joe Stew check.
Check.
I will. If Joe Stew shows up, I'll eat my hat. Wait, I'm not wearing a hat.
Nah, Nick. If Joey Stu shows up, Nick should eat crumble cookie in front of everyone.
On Monday's stream, I'll have crumble cookie for breakfast.
Crazy.
Don't make me pick up. Yeah, I can't even say that. Yeah, man. He don't want us to bring out that picture. Joe Stu check. John, honestly, where's Joe Stu, bro?
And
Give us the
Honestly.
411.
honestly, he's sleeping.
I know that's not him who you're looking at over to your right hand side. He's
It is.
knocked. He's snoozing. He's snoozing,
Oh, he's
chat.
still.
Let's get an eye on Joe Stu right now. Is that the
Yeah.
live stream? Dude, snoozing. Man got the snowman, the snowman blanket on, bro. Grandma's old couch. Holy. Got grandma's
Hey,
old
at
couch.
least he had the stream on.
Laying
His
straight back.
subconscious is taking the information.
He's meditating on it.
Yeah, he's meditating on it, man. He's coming. You wait. You just wait.
Dude looks mad comfortable.
You want to see a pro trader?
Talk about
Right here. This is how they do it, bro. Set and forget. Joe's on the set and forget vibes. He's Yo, Joe's waiting for the magic key sound. That's hilarious, man.
yeah. Nah, some people actually look like that though right now.
Hey, don't laugh. Some of you guys look like that. Yeah, word right now. Take the covers off, man. Jump up and down. Do a couple jumping jacks. Come on, man.
Go wash some cold water over your face. Time to start the day, man.
Go jump in that snow out there. The snowman blanket. Hello from Afghanistan. What's good? What's good? You guys stream
sorry,
every
yeah.
day? Yeah, we stream every Monday through Friday. Yo, that's a buzz blab. That's hilarious, bro. Dude's waiting on that magic key sound, man. What's going on in this dude's mind right now? Crumble cookies.
Chocolate chip chunk.
Semi-sweet chocolate chip. I can't wait to
Yeah.
wake up and grab some crumble cookies later. Yo, it actually looks like a face.
That's funny. Facts.
Yo. All right, are you gonna hang on for us here, Gold? What do
Yeah,
you
it is. I think it's gonna.
Next thumbnail. Croatian session? Yeah, the best session, bro. The best.
Gold's
one.
waiting.
Gold's waiting for the Croatian session open here to be able to make this next big move. Yeah. Just one more cookie. Why did John have to eat that half a cookie last night? Yo, Nikolovsky's in the house. What up, Nikolovsky? How you doing today, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. My man,
Nikolovsky.
real OG right there. Some of y'all don't even know Nikolovsky. Nikolovsky for 3. Bang. And they go up by 3.
Push up a little bit, Goldie. Now wants to go back down.
Up and down. It's like a seesaw. Aleo would say, seesaw. Seesaw.
Yeah.
Hey, just waiting on you, Gold. That's it. Honestly, a bearish close here, chat, would be better, in my opinion, because then we get a new support, right? Because then if you get a closure back above now, You guys seen yesterday's 10 a.m. candle. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Right? We could have this 9:30, 9:45, and then the first 15 minutes of the 10 a.m. candle run up. So I wouldn't even mind if this candle closes bearish here. It gives us a brand new support for price to get a breakout along with the support, along with clean traffic to the left, along with the high volume time, and be able to do it that way. Yeah.
What up, Alariz?
Yeah, just consolidating. Almost was ready to go there. Was almost ready to go here. Was almost ready to go here, but it's not right. It's not ripe yet for picking, chat. It's not ready yet. Some of you guys, you stayed out of the first flip up, and you're like, it's going to flip back up again, and you're like, I can't stay out this time. And that's how things hit the fan on Fridays. You know what I mean? That's why you really got to have that system. You know, I think this whole underlining theme of this live stream here today is that systematic approach. Yep. What up, Prickly? How you doing?
Not for real though, because you would be like, all right, 9:30. When do wicks get filled? Right, times of volume 9:30, but we didn't. That wick didn't get filled, and we closed the bearish. So
yeah,
closures.
Yeah. Now, if we get a bullish closure above, now we buy off a support, right? A new support here, and then make your leg up. I think our issue lies right here on the 4-hour time frame, where you didn't necessarily get the closure above, so you already filled that wick there. So now you're like, do I keep going? Do I not? I don't have the closure above. So that's why it's very important that we get a closure above here. Especially if the 4-hour didn't. Is it possible to be too systematic? Woo! There you go, Scott. There you go. I don't know, man. I'm going to let you figure that one out. Any advice? Yeah, believe in the Lord Jesus and you will be saved. Best advice I can give you.
That's facts.
Systematic routine will get you further than willpower. Hey, energy's paying attention. Energy's always paying attention.
Energy. What's good, energy?
AB Mike.
How you doing?
AB Mike, what's good?
Amen's in the chat.
Yeah, amen to that. Hallelujah.
Yeah, you break these highs, you're gone. You're gone.
Don't leave yet.
She might go, and we'll look back and say, she's the one that got away. Still need a closure.
I think gold's gonna wait on me. Maybe not.
Gold said, who you?
He said, excuse you?
Yeah, you break that high, you should be a goner.
Yeah, those are the 4-hour highs.
That's your potential impulse entry, chat, if you want to take it. Me, I'm waiting from just hanging out, waiting for my closure.
Senior.
Not much. Do I trade outside of the stream? Yes. Yeah, we broke the high there. Who's in? Who's in? Tell
Got
us
him,
now.
Baz.
Don't tell us when price is up here. We want to know now. Who's in chat? TK out.
Go,
I'm in,
Amir. I
I'm
hope
in,
this
I'm in.
drives. I hope it waits on me, and then I can get in with you, bro.
Yeah. All right, if you're in, best of luck. We're rooting for you.
Yes, facts.
$75 lots going, W. Who got in on Raja's entry?
Mm,
Nice, nice. Yeah, I like it. I think it could run. But I want to wait for a 15 close here in 10 minutes.
that's it, Gold. It's just 10 minutes.
Nah, not the first one. The second entry. His second entry. He lost 50? Nah, he only lost 40. That's light work.
It's like $4 to him.
Oh man.
Currently down 3% on my challenge account. Some advice, please? Yeah, you know, it's going to happen. You know, trading is like this. And investing in general is like that. You know, trading is not, you know, linear like your job. You know, you don't just get paid every day and make money every week. And, you know, just like the markets create higher highs and higher lows, so will your P&L, so will your monthly, weekly results. So just learn to flow with it. You know, if you have a proven system, stick to it, show up every day, look for the next best trade. There's nothing else you could really do. Yeah, unless excuse me, unless you need some tweaking, right? Unless you have some issues going on where you're finding yourself over trading, over risking, and it's hurting you, then that could be an area to look at. But other than that, if everything's going good, nothing to change. Just keep moving.
Part of the process.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Not waiting for Johnny Boy today.
Gold, man.
Don't blow on it. Nas up too. Nazier. Out on buys, looking for sells. Nice. Nice, nice. Easy $100. Full margin. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Easy peasy. Hey, my pleasure, Eduardo. My pleasure, man. She don't care about you. There it is. Full target tapped. There it goes.
Tapped.
That was your impulse entry on the break of the highs. Break of the highs. Who took it? There's going to be a lot more people that say, yeah, I took it now than before. 4 people were man and woman enough to be like, yeah, I'm in. Now you're going to get the all, I'm in.
I know Amir took it. Let's go, Amir.
W.
My boy Eden.
W. As long as you followed your plan, that's the most important piece here. Even if you took a sell, as long as that was following your plan, you got stopped out, that's still good. Hey, I want to encourage you all. It is Friday. I want to encourage you guys to go out this weekend, get off of the charts a little bit, and go touch your dreams, gang. Go out and dream build. Fill up your dream tank. I think one of the most underrated topics at this point, especially in the Forex space, is the dream building. You know, go out and sit in that nice car, take your wife, go look at some new cars. Even if you're not ready to buy it, go sit in them, go touch them, go smell them. You know, go to an open house, go take your wife to that house. I don't care if you live in a nasty, dirty little trailer right now. Go visit the house that you want to live in. Go find an open house. Grab your wife by her hand, look her in the eyes, tell her, baby, if we work hard enough, we can live here. We can get this. This could be ours, you know. Go dream build a little bit. Me and my wife would do this all the time, and we still do that all the time. Is, you know, a lot of you guys are putting the work, grinding, back testing, but why are you doing it? Right? Why do you even want to succeed here? You know, and then when you think of those reasons, go see and find some ways that you can touch those and see those and smell those and get around your dream, right? Get around that reality that you want and watch you come back. That will do you better than any back testing you do this weekend. Promise you that. Promise you. Take me up on it. Take me up on it. You want a new little Mercedes Benz? Go for a test ride in it. Go ride it. Go to the dealership. Go with your nose picking outfit. Tell them I want to test drive this car.
Oh yeah.
Off the charts this weekend. Off the charts.
Forex Guru, if you're a single guy, then you put on a fire audio podcast, and you just ride with that.
Go. What do you like? What do you like to do? Where if you had $1 million in your account right now, what would you do? Where would you drive? What would you drive? Where would you live? What would you do with your day? If there was a perfect day, I want you to go later on, and just grab a piece of paper, loose leaf paper, and write the perfect day on it, and go write it out. Go write it out. Go get the vision. What would you do? Where would you live? What would you drive? What would you wear? And go do it. Man, we were so close to a couple trades here today, but close but no cigar, man. Wanted that 15
That
closure
15,
like
man.
right here would have been great.
Hell yeah. Went down in the last minute.
Yep. 4-hour bias wins again here, chat. I think 4-hour bias is won almost every day, right? As we take note of it.
Yeah, man. Facts.
4-hour bias, man, over daily bias. Now look at this. Daily coming up. Yeah, had this 30 closed above, I'd be in this trade.
The 4-hour, it seems like the 4-hour leads to the daily. So if we're just riding with the 4-hour, we're also riding with the daily as well, because it leads to it. So
Yep. Go chill at the beach. Yeah, beach. I'm an Indian girl trader. What a analysis fan. A welcome. Yeah, the one obvious thing was you got this this 30 bullish closure. We just happened to close below the range there. Leave a like. Hey, leave a like on the stream here today, chat. What'd you guys do here today? Talk to me. How'd you guys do? How many wins? How many losses? No trade days? Let me know what you guys got going on.
no trade for me.
Daily back up. Break even day, no trade day, no trade day, no trade day. No trade day, one
Yeah, I
loss.
got a BE if you're in London.
BE trade for Rafi with a PH at the end.
Yeah.
Yo, but Rafi with the PH on the end, man, he grabbed 190 pips. He missed it. Man. 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. Nice. 18%. Nice job. 16 pips. Beautiful. No trade day. No trade day. A lot of no trade days. 1 win, 1 loss. Bigger L. No trade. No trade. 15 pips. Nice job. No trade. No trade. Good job. You know, it's very tough for traders to not take a trade on a day like NFP. So, you know, just taking no trade if you're set up and, you know, your ideas didn't play out, that's a W in itself for not taking a trade. 3 wins, nice job. 3 wins, nice job. 8 wins, 2 losses, 1 break even. Nice. Nice, nice. No trade day. What up, Foster? Two trades, both W's. Nice. Nice, nice. Got gold in London as well. Beautiful. 340 pips. Hey. Okay. Lost my account. Trading NFP. Ooh, yeah. Never put your whole account at risk. That's just a tip. Unless you're like, hey, I'm gonna dump 5K. And like, let's say you got 100K, right? But you're like, I'm gonna dump 5K and just see if I can, you know, flip this account. I mean, that's different. But if that's like all your trading money and, you know, everything you got, then I don't think that's the best idea. Past 7 trades all win. Beautiful. But small account, see, that doesn't matter. The account size doesn't matter. The skill is what matters, and you'll get the large account through time. Break even, and my son break even as well. Yo, you got your son trading? You hooked him up with an account from yesterday? He said, Dad, I don't know what he's talking about, but I want to do whatever you're doing. Oh man. Lost 300. That's what I did, negative 5K. All right, so if it was, you know, up for grabs, it's no biggie. Still holding gold buys, currently in gold sells. Nice. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm going to trade here. Unless we settle down over the next hour or so and then begin to make a new move. We already just made an aggressive move up to the highs there. What is the wick, Phil? Flip 10K to 2K. Uno reverse trading. Hey, man, flipping accounts. Flipping accounts. Not bad, guys. You guys have a good week. I hope you guys had a good week. I'm probably going to call it here early. I got a couple of things I need to do here today, so I want to get the day started. But yeah, W stream here. If you got something out of today's stream, type a W in the chat. Leave a like on the stream. Hit the chat with some 8s on the way out if you're feeling like you're in the 8-figure trader realm here in the next couple months to couple years, right? Remember, it's a big goal, but it's good to have big goals, man. You set yourself a big goal over the next 2 years to be an 8-figure trader. Worst case, you fall short, you're a 6-figure trader, maybe even a 7-figure trader. So it's always good to dream big and spend some time dream building this weekend, man. Seriously. Who's going dream building this weekend? I think I'm going dream building this weekend too.
I definitely am.
Go check out that house, man. Go check it out. Go check it out. Go check out that car, man. You ever see someone else in traffic driving your car? Why is that guy in my Porsche and I'm in this Oldsmobile? You know, go touch it, man. Go smell it. Go get in it. Go sit in it. And yeah, build that dream. Fill up your dream tank this weekend. Send some pictures in the Discord. as you guys go touch your dreams this weekend, and then we'll come back. We'll start fresh here on Monday. NFP's out of the way for the month, so we should have a great month of April coming up. Last month, Joey Stuchek. Last month, or last year, I should say, April was phenomenal to us. So we're seeing if we can have a great April this year. Doesn't look like we took any trades until the 4th of April last year anyway. So probably let NFP come out just like we did this time, and we'll see if we can get the ball rolling. So love y'all. Hey, all the mods, appreciate you guys always being here, holding it down. There's a sea of mods in the chat right now. So shout out to all you guys, man. Thank you guys for all you do. John, Rafi, appreciate you guys being here with us today. You guys are awesome.
Yeah, thank you for having me, brother.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
appreciate all your knowledge and wisdom. And until next week, my friends.
Sounds good, brother. You guys have a nice
brother.
weekend. Chats, love you all. Enjoy your weekend. See you guys next week.
Peace,
Awesome.
boys. Peace, chat.
Peace. I'm out.
Later,
Peace.
Gator. Hey, keep an eye out for the video I'm gonna drop tomorrow. And if you're new here, don't forget to tune in next week. We got a ton of 25K challenge accounts that I got from Top One that we're gonna give away next week. So if you were gonna miss a week, this week was the week to miss. Don't miss next week. All right. Cool, man. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm out of here. Enjoy your weekend. Be a blessing somewhere, too. While you're out dream building, see if you can be a blessing. Even if it's just a bottle of water to a homeless person or something like that. See how you can lend a helping hand, wherever you go this weekend. So love y'all. Cheers. See you guys on Monday. Welcome to the good life.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run.